Let me show you how to make restaurant-style steaks at home with 3 different pan sauces. We'll start by patting our steak dry and seasoning with salt. Then add some vegetable oil to a preheated cast iron pan. Add in the steaks, but be sure not to overcrowd it. Then cook for 6 to 7 minutes until they are golden brown. Flip them and then cook them again until they're to your desired doneness. Always feel free to use an instant read thermometer. Then plate them and cover them. Let them rest while we make our first sauce. We'll add a pat of butter along with some sliced mushrooms. Cook the mushrooms down here until there's no water left to concentrate that mushroom flavor. Then we'll add some garlic along with some Dijon mustard. And finally, some heavy cream. Cook it down until it's nice and thick and add some chives for garnish. Then serve it up on your favorite steak and mashed potatoes. Next, we'll add shallots and butter to our pan. Sweat them out until they're soft, and then go ahead and add some beef stock. Cook that down until it's reduced and add a ton of grainy mustard. Once that's incorporated in, we'll finish the sauce off with some butter and pour it over our finished steak. Sauce number 3. Start with some chopped ginger and sweat it down until it's nice and soft. To this, we're going to add some apple cider. Again, reduce it down by half and then whisk in some miso paste. Once that's mixed in, again with a little bit of butter to make the sauce nice and glossy. For this sauce, we're going to strain it just to get rid of any excess ginger bits. And that's it. 3 pan sauces on a beautiful stovetop cooked steak.